Can you trust these cheap Harbor Freight spray gun filters when you're using expensive automotive paint? Well, I bought a couple of these. We're going to cut them open and find out. I bought both the spray gun filters Harbor Freight offers, the Central Pneumatic one, which cost $3, and the Merlin one, which is $2.50. It's weird that this one is more expensive because the Merlin one actually has slightly better specs. The Central Pneumatic one is rated for 70 PSI. The Merlin says it's rated for 90 PSI. Let's open both of these up and take a look at them. The way this would work is take off this quick connect fitting, screw on this air filter, then you can put the quick connect fitting here on the bottom, or maybe a regulator, then the fitting. This is really kind of a last line of defense before you get to the spray gun. But I think some people might argue that instead of these, it would be better to get a bigger filter regulator combo that attaches to the wall, or an air dryer that you hook up like that. I'll put some links to Amazon down below. There's another difference here that makes me wonder why the Merlin is cheaper. You can see that there is a threaded brass insert on the Merlin that they use, and they mold the plastic around it. So this will be tougher than the plastic threads here on the Central Pneumatic. On both of them, the threads on the intake side are plastic, but check that out. The Merlin one has a larger opening, so it should allow better flow. I don't know if you can see in there very well, but the opening on this side is also larger on the Merlin. All right, let's crack these open. There's the first one. And there is the Merlin. Boy, there are some major differences here. I don't know if this comes across on camera, but the housing on the Merlin is much thicker and heavier and more substantial. The whole point of these is to filter out water, oil, and dirt before it gets in your gun and gets in the paint. And there is a huge difference here in the filter elements. The Central Pneumatic has these discs of filtering material that are just kind of loosely stacked in here, and the idea is that the air flows through these and the filter element picks up any contaminants. Also, if you're talking about absorbing water and oil before it gets into the paint, there's not a lot of filter material here, and it doesn't feel that absorbent. It feels more plasticky than like an absorbent paper material. Then on the Merlin here, you have this roll of tightly wound filter material. This is sort of like a roll of toilet paper. You can see this piece of tape on the end, and this is then tightly fit into the housing. So we have a much more tightly wound filter material, so it would be a lot tougher for particles like dirt to get through this without getting caught by the filtering material. Then when it comes to oil and water, there's a lot more material to absorb the oil and water than we see here on the Central Pneumatic. In addition, the material itself feels a lot more papery and absorbent, like it would be able to absorb oil and water better than the kind of plasticky material here on the Central Pneumatic. All right, my final thoughts here. Why is the Central Pneumatic more expensive than the Merlin? You can use a 20% off coupon on either one of these, and on the Merlin you get a thicker, better quality housing, higher PSI rating, and much better and more filter material. So yeah, if you ever have the choice, get the Merlin out of these two for sure. However, these still do have some limitations. This filter material, while it can absorb water, it's not like it's really fully a desiccant. You know, where I am right now in the summer, it is humid as heck. So when I'm doing my spraying, I think I'm actually going to use something like this, an inline desiccant dryer and filter. This has a lot more ability to absorb moisture than really either of these probably do. So what do you guys think of these differences? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, hit that like button and that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.